Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gospel Ugiagbe. So on this my YouTube channel, I share a simple way on how you can make money online. So if you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can use AI to make money online. So I'm going to show you step by step from beginning to the end. So let us get started. So the first thing we need to do is to go to this platform that is going to allow us to automate a very simple affiliate marketing strategy that is going to allow us to be making money every single time somebody take action. Let me show you now on my computer. So guys, as you can see on the screen here, the first thing we need to do is to pick the affiliate product that we want to promote. So I have chosen this website. So what we need to do now is to go and join this company affiliate program. So we have to join this company affiliate program so that we can start promoting their affiliate program to our own audience. So what we need to do now is to go to where they said become an affiliate. So what you need to do is to become an affiliate to this program. So once you have become an affiliate to the program, they are going to give you a unique link. So this is now my own affiliate link. Then the next thing we need to do now is to promote this program with AI, which is this platform which is called Manychat. So that is where the Manychat comes in. Manychat is going to help us now to market this product for us. So how does this work? Let us register our account on Manychat. So I will click on the section where it said get started. You can see here on Manychat, you can register either with your Instagram account, TikTok account, WhatsApp, Facebook, and Telegram, or you can register with your Gmail account. It just depends on what you want to use to register your own account. So what I want to use on this my video as an example to you today is Instagram. So I will click on Instagram now. So once I click on Instagram, it's telling me to log in with my email. So I will click on the section where it said continue. And here I'm going to choose a random email to create my own account with this platform which is called Manychat. And I will click on it. So once I click on it, it's telling me to confirm it. So now my Gmail account is connected to Manychat. So what I need to do now is to connect my Instagram account. So I will click on the section where it said go to Instagram. Click on that. Now it wants me to allow Manychat to have access to Instagram. So I will click on the section where it said allow, and it's just going to log me into my Manychat account. Let us patient to my Manychat account. Now it's telling me to pick a plan, but I'm going to click on where it said start free plan, and here it's going to ask you a few information about your business. I'm going to click on for my own employee or for my client or for myself. I'm going to click for myself and click on next. It's going to ask you who or what is this account about. So I'm going to say a person account order. So I'm going to click a person and click on next. I'll just click on creator influencer and I will click on next. For me, I will click on this one where it said selling physical products. I will click on that and I will click on next. So what I need to do is to select one here. I will click on this one and I will click on next. So I'm going to click e-commerce platform and it's going to tell you congratulations, Get Income is connected. Create your first Instagram campaign and try power of Instagram channel. Click on get started here. So now that you have done this, just click on this one and say later so that you have all the whole screen here. So the first thing you need to do now is to create your first campaign. So to create your first campaign, you can see all these things here. So if you click here, you'll find the contact of people that you already imported to this your Manychat account. If you click on here where it's said automation is where is the segment that you have set that is going to be sending to people whenever you ask them to take action on that your Instagram account. So when I click on here, so I'll go back to home page here. You are going to see everything. You are going to see a lot of options here. But it's only one that will be available to you because you are using the free version of Manychat. So when I click on this one here, which is say auto DM link from comment, so that is what we need to use now, and we need to click on it. So once we click on it, I'm going to select one of the image here. Let us say I want people to comment in one of these videos. in one of these photos or videos, whatever you are going to call them. Just click on one of them and you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to bring you here. So here you are going to enter what you want them to comment. What do you want them to comment? We can just tell them to comment like leggings. I'm spelling it right, I don't even know. So I'm going to type leggings and you are going to scroll down, click on enter and scroll down. Click on the part where it say any word. When you type any word, anything they type, they are going to receive the link that you are trying to send to them. But if I click on it back and I type leggings back, and whenever they type leggings, they are going to receive a link to the product. What you need to do is to click on next. So once you click on next, you need to scroll down here. This is the message that is going to display whenever they reply to that your comment. Whenever they comment on that your video that you publish on your Instagram account. So whenever they comment, this is what they are going to receive here. And click on next again. So once you click on next, here is where the link is. So you need to add your link here. So what do you want to say in this part? So what you can do, you can type like click here. Let me just say click here now. You know, I'm just doing it just for example. I'll say click here now and I'm going to click on add link. Because this brand now we have joined their affiliate program. Because we have joined this brand affiliate program here, I'm going to copy my affiliate link here. Go back to Manychat and I'm going to click on the part where it said this plus icon where you say add a link. I'll click on that and here you are going to enter the link. So you can see I enter Brandwell and I enter my affiliate link, which is from this website that I have joined. So I've entered the link here. I've like shortened the link and I click on save. So now that I've clicked on save, it's going to still click now. You understand? It's going to be showing the brand, which is what they are going to get. The name of it can be t-shirt, it can be tools, it can be services. It just depends on, it can be physical product or digital product. It just depends on how you plan to do the marketing. So once you have done that, you click on save. And what you need to do is to just click on the part where it says active here, or you click on this icon. You can see it here where it says go live. So when I click on go live now, it's going to say congratulations, or it's going to say amazing work. I'm going to click on done. And what we need to do is to go back here. And if you come to this session here, you are going to see the campaign that we just created. So what I need to do now is to go and comment on this Instagram. Yeah. So once I come to Instagram, I need to go and comment in that. So I will use my own main Instagram account to comment on that my post on Instagram. I'm start getting came. So this is the message that I've received from getting came, which is the Instagram that we are using to do the marketing. And I'm going to click send me link. So when I click on that, it's going to pop this up and it's going to send me this link here. It's going to tell me click now, Brandwell, and I'll click on that. So when I click on it, it's going to pop this up. All I need to do is to click on continue. And it's going to redirect me to Brandwell platform. So it's going to redirect me to Brandwell. And all I need to do now is to join Brandwell affiliate program. And once I join it, I will start using it to make money. Or if I join the premium plan, if I start using the premium plan of Brandwell, I am that person that refer you as an affiliate is going to be making money with this method. So you see that we didn't do any work. All we just did was just setting up this auto respond, and it's just going to be replying to people on that particular post that you have left on maybe on Instagram. So how are you going to do this? What you do is to make a video telling people to leave a particular comment or a particular word, and if they leave that comment, that automation is going to reply to them, and if they follow the instruction, they are going to go and start using that service. You are going to get a commission and you are going to start making money. So that is how you can use this strategy to make money with Manychat. So that is everything that I want to talk about on this video. Only what I want from you right now is for you to hit that like button, and if you want to learn, or if you are looking for a very simple way to make money online, you can go and check out this my PDF guide. Is free. Just go and check it out to learn how you can make money with affiliate program for 100% free. And if you want to learn how you can make money with Pinterest step-by-step tutorial, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace.